Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, AnnieParkerConfidential.com in the kitchen. And today can we talk smoothies versus a protein shake? Now smoothies, delicious, usually have a lot of sugar, juices, fruits, and aside from tasting good, they don't really have a point, right? I personally prefer having a protein shake, and really the difference is it's higher in protein. So after you work out, you want to rebuild those muscles by consuming protein. It helps to repair the muscle fibers that you tore down, helps to keep you kind of lean, and it also helps to keep you nice and satiated and full. But it's got to taste amazing too, right? Otherwise, we're not going to drink it, and what's the point? So today I want to share with you one of the protein drinks that I really love having every once in a while. It's delicious, and it is my Tahitian protein shake. It's made with coconut milk, light coconut milk, frozen banana, frozen pineapple, and a couple other accoutrements that are delicious. So here's what you'll need. I have a Vitamix. I love, love, love my Vitamix. I know they're expensive, but if you use it a lot, it is worth it. We've used our Vitamix for, gosh, 2 and 3 times a day for the past probably 10 years. Long time. So it's worth it if you want to make an investment. Otherwise, you can use a high-powered blender. You're going to need half a cup of light coconut milk. And to this, I added half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So I'm in a blender, I'm going to put my half a cup of light coconut milk and the almond milk in the blender, okay? I also have half of a frozen banana that I'll put in there, and the banana just makes it nice and frothy and yummy. I also have half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Now you can use fresh. I just use frozen because it helps the shake to be a little more frothy, but then you can add ice too. I also have 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of matcha tea. Matcha tea powder is ridiculously high in antioxidants. It's amazing for you, and it does give you a little boost of caffeine without making you jittery. So I add 1 teaspoon of matcha tea powder. Use the ceremonial blend. It's a little more expensive, but the taste is not as bitter, and it's got a nice mellow feel to it. So it's delicious. 1 teaspoon of that. And then I add 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just for a little bit of flavor. I like that. And then if you like, depends on how frothy you like your protein shake, you can add a little bit of ice. So I'm gonna add a little bit of ice to this. Let's start with, we'll do half a cup of ice. And that is it. You're just going to put your top on, the blender, and see if I can do this backwards. Okay, that's it. That is it. And then, let me grab a glass. Pour and drink. So you guys, a lot of times I will have this right after the gym. I mean, it makes 1 serving. I know it'll be more than 1 glass, but so what? I mean, I want the protein. That is so good. It is so good, and it's healthy for you. Super healthy, 24 grams of protein, quick and easy to make. I think you'll love it. So let me know what you think below. You can go ahead and comment, or of course, for this and more healthy fit recipes, visit me at AnnieParkerConfidential.com, your resource for health, fitness, style, beauty, and healthy living. See you next week, guys. Bye.